Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video tutorial we are going to solve another equation. Okay, here we have x cubed plus 1 equal to x square minus x minus 1 all raised to square. Okay, and then minus 4. And if you would like to give a try for this question, so please pause the video, and if you are ready, please keep watching. Okay, so now I'm going to solve a full solution for you. Please stay tuned to find out how can we solve this equation, okay? So first of all, this equation could be written in the form of x cubed plus 1 cubed, because 1 cubed which is still equal to 1, and I keep this still the same, okay? And then 4 could be written as 2 square, okay? Alright, so why do I have to write like this? Because I want you to notice that this side will be in the form of a cubed plus b cubed. And a cubed plus b cubed will be equal to a plus b factor a square minus ab and then plus b square, okay? And here we have the second side, which is in the form of a square minus b square, and this identity will be equal to a minus b factor a plus b, okay? And we will be using both of this identity to apply the following equation here. Okay, so now let's go ahead. So here we have the first side, which is x cubed plus 1 cubed. That will be in the form of a cubed plus b cubed. And now I can expand this into the form of these two factors, okay? So then that will be equal to x plus 1 and factor with x squared minus x and then plus 1 and then equal to. So now, and the second side here, I'm going to expand this in the form of a minus b factor a plus b, okay? And this one stand for a and 2 stand for b, okay? So then we get a minus b, which is this one minus 2, and then factors this one plus with 2. Okay, so then now I just keep the first side the same and then equal to. So here we have x squared minus x and then plus 3, okay? So that will be x squared minus x minus 3, okay? And then factors. So now we have x squared minus x and then plus 1. Okay, so then the next step, I'm going to move the second side to the left hand side of the equation, okay? So then when we move this to the left hand side, it will be negative and then equal to 0. Okay, so now we have here x squared minus x and then plus 1, and here is the same, so we can take it in common, okay? And then now we got factors with x plus 1 and then minus with this factor, okay, equal to 0. All right, so then now we have these factors x plus 1 and then minus x squared plus x and then plus 3 equal to 0, okay? And then factors, we have minus x squared plus 2x and then plus 4 equal to 0. When we have two factors term together equal to 0, and then we can give each factors equal to 0. So we can give this factor equal to 0. Alright. Okay, so then now we also can give this factor equal to 0. Okay, so now we have to solve each equation here. We have this quadratic equation. We have x squared minus x and then plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so we can solve it by using a discriminant, which is using data formulas. So you can use data which is equal to b square and then minus 4ac, yeah, and then now we can substitute the values of b, which is equal to minus 1 raised to square, okay, and then minus 4ac, which is a equal to 1 and c equal to 1, so that will be 1 times 1 and times 4, which is equal to 4. Okay, so then we get minus 1 all raised to square, which is equal to 1 and then minus 4. So the answer is equal to minus 3. Now we have delta equal to negative 3. So negative 3 is less than 0, alright? So when we have delta less than 0, that means the equation has no root in real numbers, okay? So we don't have to solve it. So this equation will be rejected, okay? So now we're going to find the values of x through this quadratic again. Okay, so we can use data again. So data which is equal to b squared minus 4ac and then equal to. So here we have b which is equal to 2. So that will be 2 squared and then minus 4 and then a which is equal to minus 1 and then c which is equal to 4. Yeah, okay, so here we have 2 squared which is equal to 4, negative sign with negative sign equal to positive sign, 4 times 4 equal to 16, okay, and then equal to 20. Alright, so delta which is equal to 20, okay, and then the formulas of this equation which is x on equal to minus b and then minus square root of delta, okay, and then divide by 2a, okay. Alright, and then another one which is x the equal to minus b and then plus square root of delta as well and divide by 2a. Okay, so now we can substitute the values of this constant here. We have b which is equal to 2, right, and then delta which is equal to 20, so we can substitute by 20 here and then times with a which is equal to minus 1, and here we have which is 2 and then delta which is equal to 20 and time with here is minus 1 as well. Okay, so now we can calculate each number. So then here we have minus 2 minus square root of 20. Okay, so then we have minus 2 and minus square root of 20 could be written as 2 square root of 5. Okay, and then minus 2. Okay, so then I can just move this down here, okay, and then equal to, and here I can take minus 2 in common, so we got minus 2 factors with 1 and then plus square root of 5. Okay, and then divide by minus 2. Okay, and then now we can see that we have here is minus 2 and minus 2, so we can cancel it out. So the answer which is 1 plus square root of 5. Okay, so then here we have minus 2 and plus 20. Square root of 20 could be written as 2 square root of 5 and divide by minus 2. Okay, and then equal to. Now I can take 2 in common. We will get 1 minus square root of 5 divided by minus 2. Okay, and then equal to. Okay, so we can simplify 2 with 2 here, and then we will get 1 minus square root of 5. Okay, so finally we have found the root of the equations, which is 1 plus square root of 5 and another one which is 1 minus square root of 5. Okay, all right, so then we can put therefore x which is equal to 1, and that will be plus or minus square root of 5. Okay, all right, now we have finished solving this equation, and I hope you enjoy watching this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel for my future video, and goodbye, see you in the next video.